We are to simplify 5 brackets open 4 squared plus 2 squared. For us to answer this problem, we need to make use of the rule of BODMAS. We are making use of the rule of BODMAS because in this problem we have more than one arithmetic operation to perform. First thing, we are going to start with the brackets. The next, O, which stands for order. That means the powers or the exponents. We are going to simplify them first before moving down to the next, which is D, which stands for division, M, which stands for multiplication, E for addition, S for subtraction. First, we need to start by simplifying what we have in the bracket. This will give us 5 brackets open. 4 squared simply means we have to take 4 times 4 plus 2 squared, which simply means we have to take 2 times 2. This will simply be equal to, since we are still to eliminate the brackets, we write down 5. We open our bracket. Within the bracket, applying BODMAS, you'll see that the first operation we have to perform is multiplication before addition. 4 times 4 gives us 16 plus 2 times 2, which gives us 4. This will simply be equal to, by making use of BODMAS, we are still to eliminate the brackets. You see that the next rule we have to perform is addition. So this will give us 5 brackets open. 16 plus 4 is simply equal to 20. Then you must take note of this in mathematics. Whenever we have a bracket, the bracket simply stands for multiplication. That means we have to multiply the term or the number we have out of the bracket by what we have in the bracket. This will be equal to, we take 5 times 20. This will simply be equal to 5 times 20 is simply equal to 100. We conclude, therefore, 5 brackets open 4 squared plus 2 squared bracket close is simply equal to 100. We are done with the solution of this question.